guys, how are you guys? I am doing a moto vlog today. Like, these are like so much fun to make. Like, I've never made one before, but I'm going to today. I've been watching them on YouTube, and yeah, I'm gonna kind of be telling you guys why I haven't been uploading. Haven't uploaded in like a week, so gonna tell you guys that, update everything, and we're just gonna go driving around, messing around, having fun, and yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Alright guys, so I'm out here at the lake. You guys probably seen it in my last Minibike video, which was the last video I uploaded. So yeah, I'm just driving around out here because this is where I wanted to start the video. But yeah guys, I get like so many looks on this Minibike. I can't wait to get it tagged so I can like ride it like out on the main roads. But yeah, I'm still gonna do it. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, because that would suck. I don't want to go out here. I'm gonna go out at the other way. But yeah, just kind of wanted to tell you guys that. So I'm gonna tell you guys why I haven't been uploading vlogs and stuff like that. Well, it's really because like I just don't feel like uploading them, because I don't feel like they're good enough. Like, my life ain't that exciting, so like I hate uploading stuff that like sucks. So yeah guys, that's like the truth on why I haven't been uploading. I made a vlog the other day, but I didn't upload it because it was just boring. And so I just wanted to mix it up and kind of make like a moto vlog. Like, they're fun. I got this sick new helmet. It's a Fox helmet. I'll put you guys like a little picture like right on the screen of what it looks like. Got the GoPro attached. And yeah, we're gonna go out on the main roads right now and drive around. And hope you guys can hear me all right. Got a microphone set up in my helmet. If you guys want a tutorial on how to set all of that up, put that in the comments below. Alright, let's go. I don't know where to go. I'm just like out adventuring. Guess I'll go down this way. But yeah guys, let's go up here. Kinda ride like in the hood or something. I don't know, it'd be funny. Let's do it. Cops might not be in there as much. Get back to the chopper! Yo, I was riding over here yesterday, and I accidentally hit a duck. Like, felt bad, but like it was its own fault. I was riding out, and then like a big swarm of them just like run right out in front of me, and I was like trying to dodge them, but I couldn't. I just freaking like hit it. I didn't like actually like run over it. I just kind of like hit it, and it kind of like flew off. But yeah, the bird was like fine. But it was pretty funny. But yeah guys, if you guys like these moto vlogs, make sure to put that in the comments, because I'll love to make more of these. So yeah, definitely put that in the comments. I've never been back in here. This is like straight up ghetto. So let's go get myself shot. This doesn't look good. Move. Yo, let's race, buddy. Come on, let's go! Oh yeah, there's a cop right there. How you doing? How you doing, man? Oh god, please do not pull me over, sir. Getting out of here. He was looking dead at me. Alright, there's a lot of traffic. Let's get the hell out of here. Everyone looks at this freaking bike. It's so small. But it's funny. I should do an episode on how trying to pick up chicks or something with this. That would be funny. Alright guys, we're going over towards the skate park. Oh god, cop. How you doing? Thank you. This is the river that I fish in sometime. It's pretty fun. I've caught some stuff in here. But yeah, guys. Over there's the boardwalk. Over there's the skate park. I hope the microphone ain't picking up no wind. I ordered a microphone for this. Right now I'm just using like my Beats like cord as a microphone. And I don't know, I tested it yesterday or last night and it worked pretty good. But yeah guys, that should be here, I don't know, like on the 20th or something. Yeah, this bike would be so much fun if it was faster. Oh god, gonna have to make a weird turn here. Oh sh**. People is just blowing past me, probably like laughing at me. Look at that. Rev my piece of engine up. Come on, buddy. I don't want to like scare you and make you fall off. Oh god. I'm gonna go over this way. There's like a cop right behind me. Oh god, there's a cop right in front of me too. I'm going straight, I'm going straight. Oh my god. Thank god I'm gonna pull this cop over. Oh my god. Come on, I'm on a mini bike. I'm about to pass you up, come on. Pull up here with my biker gang. Oh my god, yeah, this is it right here. I'm with them. This is my gang now. Oh my god, yo, what's up, fellas? I'm so keeping up with these bikers right now. Yo, I look legit now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gotta get that audio in sync. Alright guys, I just stopped at my sister's for a minute. See what they were up to and kind of get off the road for a minute. Holy shit. Holy shit, this is a one-way. Holy shit. Holy shit, I almost died. I gotta get out of here. Leg is getting rubbed raw. This car is sick. Come on, I know that thing probably has like 1,000 horsepower engine in it. Get it up through there. Ow. What'd that guy say? Oh my god. I didn't hear him. Oh my god. Here we are. Ain't nobody gonna catch me. Catch me outside, how about that? Huh? What? I didn't hear what he said. I don't know what he said. Why you got your blinker on? Yo, turn your blinker off. Oh god. They just seen me. Dude, the cops seen me and they didn't even say anything. We out here, cuz, yo! Yo, I'm so freaking out here. Look at my badass bike, people. Oh my god, I thought they were after me. What? Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I don't know what he said, but I said yes. We out here, cuz though. Holy shit, I'm going down Main Street. Oh my god. Dude, this is freaking crazy. My GoPro battery is dying too. I'm such an idiot. Oh my god, this is freaking funny. It's funny but sad. Oh my god. Cops, don't get me. Just a kid with a dream. Wish I could rip mine up like that. Everyone's just looking at me like, really? Come on, dude. How you going? I think that cop didn't even pay no attention to me. Oh, I went down. Oh my god, I was sitting literally right beside a cop. He did not even say anything. He's taking a picture. So many people are probably taking pictures of me. Oh yeah, it's a 360 camera. Watch out. I have an ideal. Instead of ending the video now, why don't we, so I'm gonna, instead of going home, I am going to go to my sister's, drop my bike off there, and I got my camera with me, so I'm just gonna go over there walking around, take some videos of some bikes. Oh damn, it just went down a freaking one way like I did.
I got my eyes on you. I got my eyes on you. That's my girl. That's right. She with me, homie.
Alright guys, so I'm back at the house now, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Had fun riding around, and I was nervous and everything, but it's like crazy. The cops were like looking at me and didn't even care. But yeah, my leg is like killing me. I told you guys a while ago, look at it. Dude, look how red that is. It's raw.
That's what she said.
But if you guys want more motor vlogs, make sure to put that in the comments. I'm gonna make some more. That was fun, especially when I get it tagged and stuff like that. Oh, and that last clip that you guys seen, I think, was the bike that I want. Those 3 bikes right there, the Groms. Yeah, that's what I want to get. They're like nice bikes. But yeah guys, hope you guys like this. You guys gotta subscribe and like for all the crazy stuff I did today. But I'm gonna get off here and chillax, so I'll catch you guys not tomorrow, but or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. As always, peace my friends.
I'm in love with the cocoa. I got it for the low, low, low.